Good morning. Okay, so since I'm going to be in the house for who knows how long, I decided why not just use this time to make more videos for you, for YouTube to stay consistent. Oh my gosh, stop. Okay, well, my dog is right here. Okay, and we're gonna get some breakfast. I woke up like 2 hours ago, stayed in bed, watched TV. I found this new TV show on Netflix. It's called The Circle, and I don't usually watch shows like this, but I was like a little bit intrigued because I don't have anything else to watch. I finished Riverdale. I've rewatched Friends 3 times, and I don't have anything to watch right now, and there's no interesting movies that I want to watch. I've watched all the things I wanted to watch, like Harley Quinn and all that, like Birds of Prey 1917. Watch all of that, so I don't have anything to watch, so I decided to try this one out. I just finished Love is Blind recently. That was really annoying. It was good, but not my type of show, and it was annoying. But yeah, so I'm just watching. I've been watching for like 2 hours, and I'm kind of hungry. I think I'm gonna make coffee and some cereal and just lay down with my dogs, fix my bed. Look at them. You guys are so cute. You guys are so cute. Hello. I had the scariest experience yesterday with my dog. So I was watching TV and he started having seizures out of nowhere, and it scared me. I started crying and I started comforting him, but he was having really bad seizures. He was shaking really bad and he couldn't walk. Every time he tried to walk, he would tip over. It scared me. I don't know what's happening with him, but it's okay. He's fine. But I'm gonna make myself some food. Oh, he doesn't want to get out. Hello. You're so cute. He's wearing a little scarf. I'm just gonna prepare myself some breakfast. We don't have avocado. I really wanted to make avocado toast, but maybe I'll just make like cereal and maybe a peanut butter and banana toast. That sounds good. Or Nutella. Okay, so I'm gonna eat my breakfast really quick and I will be back whenever I'm doing something interesting. So I'm just gonna relax, watch TV, and eat. See you guys in a bit. I don't remember where I left off. Yeah, I've just been like really... I had a headache the whole day. Why do I look like this? Okay, I had a headache the whole day today, so I didn't really feel like vlogging anything. And I was just trying to get rid of my headache, taking naps, taking ibuprofen, just, you know, to make myself feel better. And it worked a little bit, and then after it kind of went away, I went ahead and studied. My freaking desk that I fixed yesterday was finally put to use. So studying sociology, really interesting, probably my favorite class right now. I have like a few trash from when I was snacking. I can't really do anything interesting, but I feel like a mess. I feel like a whole mess. I feel like a total wreck because I'm not doing anything. But yeah, that's for tonight, and I will catch you guys up later. Good morning or good afternoon. It's currently 1 o'clock in the afternoon actually, so good afternoon. It's a new day, and I'm hoping that I be more productive this day because I have a test tomorrow. I have an online test tomorrow and Tuesday, so I'm trying to study for it. I am currently studying sociology, my favorite class right now, because it's just so interesting to learn about how the world works and how people work. And also it includes a chapter about criminology, which I'm very passionate about. Like, I'm not trying to pursue criminology, but I am like really interested in it. But yeah, I'm trying to like go through my to-do list for today, and hopefully I get it done. I currently have study sociology, write notes, and pay medical bills. I already paid my medical bills, so that's done. And I'm also going to plan my day for tomorrow because as of right now it's empty. I don't have any to-do list tomorrow, so I'm probably gonna do that. So we are freshly washed and I just finished eating my breakfast. I still have my cup of coffee. This is probably my second cup today. I'm gonna start being productive right now so I don't feel lazy later, because if I just lay down and watch TV the whole day, I'm not gonna do anything at all. So we're gonna start being productive and doing some stuff. Okay, so I just found out that I have a busy schedule today because I have a lot of things to do. Taking a break from studying, I started looking up I haven't even studied at all. Okay, so taking a break, I started looking up bullet journals, and I found this online. Well, it's the same brand as my planner, and I started messing around and created this. So it has like those palm trees and everything. Like, I'm not really a big pink girl, but lately I've been loving how the pinks look as like notebooks. So I started creating this. It says imagine and create, and I have my name on it. It says $26.99. My plan for the bullet journal and the planner is to basically use this as my daily planner, plan out my life here, plan out my everyday life, what I'm going to do for that day, what my appointments are, everything. And the bullet journal is basically like just to keep track of what I've been doing, whether I'm making sure I'm growing as a person or just helping me kind of keep my life on track, figure out what I'm doing right, what are my bad habits, all that stuff. So I also have this journal. It's just black, and I basically write down everything that's in my head, what happened that day. If I want to remember the day I had, I just write it all down here, and I have some pictures, some movie tickets, everything that I want to remember is on this planner, I mean on this journal. This is private, this is my journal, this is my private journal. This is just to plan my day, and the bullet journal I just ordered is going to be more of, it's not so much private, but it's a little bit more personal because it's where I want to keep my life on track. I just had a major brain fart. Okay, so this is where I keep all my private stuff, write down everything that I want to write down and remember, whereas the bullet journal is going to be more self-growth, making myself better and all that stuff. I do love having things to write my stuff on and organize. I love organizing, and I also love writing down some ideas and all that stuff. So I think it's really helpful for me to have a planner and have a journal and all that stuff. It's really gonna help me in the long run, and I can look back at it. But for now, I'm gonna do boring stuff, so I'll see you guys later. So I just got this in the mail. I already set it up, and check it out. So basically you put all your brushes in here, and the best thing about it is, check this out, you can close it to protect your brushes from the dust. It also came with a bead, so you can just, you know, store them. It is a little bigger than what I expected. It's just really convenient to have because then I don't have to worry about dust getting on my brushes. I can just keep them safe. If you're interested in buying this, I will link it down below. This is from Amazon, and I think it was like $16–17. It's relatively cheap, so you can check it out. Okay, so I will go back to studying.